Hey guys, it's Allie.
Hey guys, okay, so right now
I'm about to go to the mall and meet Alex and our friends
Christine, Jennifer,
which you may or may not have already seen depending on if Alex has vlogged this or not.
And then we're gonna go shopping for homecoming dresses, and we're getting it early because we want to get all the good dresses before they kind of like sell out.
But yeah, that's it. I'm leaving. Bye.
So right now we're heading on over to Urban Outfitters. We're trying to find some dresses, so that's the first store we'll walk into. I like that.
How much is it though? Where's the tag?
You just touched the boob. A wild Chris shopping for her homecoming dress. Oh! You actually do look a lot older with your hair like that.
Yeah, because it looks like I have gray hairs.
Okay. Waiting in line for Mrs. Field's cookies.
Buy 3 and get 1 free. Yeah, I'll buy 3.
That's cute too. Wait. I really like that. That'll probably look like a rug on me.
That's cute.
That's cute on you.
I don't like this.
I need to eat it? Oh.
Allie, when you watch this, where are you?
Where are you? Are you okay?
You okay? You doing good? You sure? So if you ever want stuff from Brandy Melville,
I'd rather go.
they have it at Nordstrom's.
I should stay on her toes. Oh wait, it's a mannequin.
Look at them.
It's like a DJ.
Look at that pink one. I'm
It is a part of
tired
it.
of mannequins making us feel like we should look like that.
Called
Women don't move
eyeless.
their neck like that.
Coming, queen. 6-ish. Oh, this is pretty. I like that. That's too fancy for me though.
I don't have a highlight.
You want to be like what a color pop?
Cabral? Cabral. Yikes.
Look at that. It's the same thing.
Me, activist. I love women's rights.
Woman.
And I love women.
I love women.
I love women.
That's all.
Allie finally showed up. Say hi.
I was terrified. I almost got on the freeway.
Did you really?
I've never driven on the freeway.
You got your hair? I love it.
Yeah.
Looks
Doesn't she
so
look
good.
Doesn't she look older?
You do.
She looks so much older.
I want it all.
I want it all.
Jacket.
That's cute. Where is it? Go find it. Go. Oh, on the hut.
I have a like $100 gift card to Urban Outfitters.
Oh my God. Get a dress from Urban Outfitters then.
Because
How can I be friends with them?
I returned something. Yeah.
How can I be friends with them?
Jen, are you doing good, Jen? I don't think I'd be able to walk in those. I want strappy heels though.
I like them. I think they're really cute.
I think they're super cute, but I don't know if I'd be able to. Oh, I love those.
These are cute. I like that heel.
Can I wear you? Can I have you? Oh, that looks cute on you.
I said it was 30, but I don't. Yeah, it's $30.
That's cute.
Oh, I'm making.
Buying these chokers and this headpiece.
So I like this dress, right? And I'm probably gonna get it because it's like $12. And if I don't wear it to homecoming, I'm gonna wear it somewhere else.
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, I like.
And then here's the other one.
What? Let me see.
Oh,
I like that
like
one.
that
That
one.
one. That one. That's not even a question.
homecoming! It's calling our name.
Jen, how's it hanging?
Pretty okay.
This is my homecoming dress. You think it fits?
I think it's cute.
I don't know if I have shoes on.
Jan. Okay. You're gonna be in our vlog.
Hi.
This is Abigail Kim. You skipped Allie. You skipped me. You went straight for Jen.
Your hand is in a weird position.
We are going to go get some smoothies right now.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here,
Hey guys, Allie and I are in the car right now with people. Say hi. Say your name.
My name's Dakota. What's up?
I'm Ryan. Hi.
You killed it.
That's Nick. And Allie's up front. Okay, so right now we are heading over to Not Scary Farm, and the only person who hasn't gone so far is Allie.
We should just like ditch her, but not ditch her. Just like leave her.
No.
So, like, we can see her, but she thinks that we're gone. You know? Like,
That's so mean. People are gonna hate him the most in the vlog. Dakota, everyone's just gonna hate you.
No, it's okay. I grow on people. Don't worry about it.
I feel like people are gonna like Nick though, because they like awkward people.
The silent type.
Yeah,
like
Quinn. They
quiet.
love Quinn. And he's
The
so
silent.
awkward. We are in the masses of the people trying to get in right now. Nick and Allie are already. Nick and Allie already inside, and Nick's got it. Oh,
Somebody touched my butt.
Oh my god.
it was Ryan. It was totally Ryan. We finally got inside.
She already was scared.
Shut up. Where are we going?
What?
Where are we going?
We're going to there.
There? What is that? Say it because they can't see
We're
it.
gonna go get scared. Scared.
In line for Tooth Fairy right now. We went the wrong way because Dakota led us the wrong way.
Hey, what's up, guys?
And so he's a responsible adult, but he's not at all. So, oh, we're going in right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. You want to go in first, you guys? Yeah. Go.
some music with the message, and we'll discuss our big dreams, how we plan to take over the planet.
We're doing this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. No. Oh god. Dakota!
Allie, I believe in you.
What?
Want your teeth. I want your teeth.
Well, we got
Didn't
on
survive.
Tooth Fairy.
She didn't survive.
I screamed too many times. A lot more than I should have. We're going on to Silver Bullet right now. Ryan's scared of roller coasters.
No.
He's totally scared of roller coasters.
No, he's not. He just gets sick.
He's scared. So he's not going on it with us. Oh, hey, my face is in the sun. And so we're gonna be going on that. So we're gonna get on that right now, like right now.
I can't wait so we can break apart.
Nick, we see you. An arcade.
Let's go get food.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
What?
Say that again, please.
Yeah, why don't you say that to the people who are watching the video?
Hey guys, look at this.
No, they're gonna get soggy.
They're good like that. Wait, why'd you just like take a bite of it? Who's the one that likes milk first and then the cereal? What the hell's up?
Yeah, what's wrong?
I do that. I'm just kidding. I'm a normal person. Come on.
They want to go on the minecart
That
ride.
thing is tiny.
It's tiny. It's terrible.
What's tiny?
The worst ride here. I don't know why you guys want to go on
That
that.
was a pretty good one.
No, it's a
You're gonna
terrible
talk
ride.
like
Out of
you.
all the things we could do
I'm
here,
sorry,
the mazes,
but,
the roller coasters, everything. They want to go on a stupid minecart.
Well, you know what? I don't want to. I want to go on the log ride, but we don't know where the entrance is. She was here.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Is that like live streaming right now? Or? Are you on Periscope? Where are you guys going? We should live stream.
I'm so confused. You know what? Just follow
right
them,
there.
okay? Okay. Okay. How you doing?
I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of pieces.
left us here. They literally just
I
got
don't
on
know how that happened.
They all just got on and left us here. That's okay because we'll be on the next one.
Does Knocko say so? This is not.
We're going in on Shadowlands.
Oh, this is the samurai.
I am very confused why there is a stop light here. I don't understand.
What? I don't know.
Allie is sleeping. Or she was. I'm about to fall asleep right now. I'm so tired. Allie was sleeping while standing. I don't know how she does it, but she did. Oh look, people are getting chased back there.
I saw him sit there. Come on. Let's go, Alex.
Going into Shadowlands.
I'm gonna jump, alright?
Do it, Nick, I dare you.
No, Nick, you have so much to live
Nick,
for.
I dare you.
You know, I'm the adult here. I think I should
Yo,
go
shut
in
up.
front.
Dakota, you're not really the adult.
Yes, I do.
Okay, put the ID away. No one cares about it.
Oh, it's soaking.
It's like sweat.
Oh, it's wet.
My butt is gonna be Guys, I don't want to be in the front.
The ground is soaking wet.
Joke's on you. I'm small enough to duck under this thing.
So attractive.
Hi.
Allie and Alex
Allie and Alex take on the log ride. Girls meet log ride.
Girls meet log ride.
Girls meet log ride.
This is a good shot. I look good.
This is so crazy and not fake.
I just got soaked.
Why am I the one to get wet?
Well, we just went on the log ride right now.
Logs.
And now I'm soaked. Sorry, Nick stole my phone. I just chased after him. But we just got off of the log ride. We're soaking wet.
I'm very sorry.
And right now we're rushing to get to the front of the park to get picked up.
Just get smoothies and call it a day.
Yeah.
I feel alright, I'm gonna take on the world. Light up the stars, I've got some pages to turn. I got a ticket